Have you ever asked an AI a question and wondered how it finds answers so fast? To see that, we have to shrink down and look at the physical hardware doing the heavy lifting. Right now, AI has a speed limit called the memory wall. In a standard computer chip, the calculating brain and the memory storage are separate. Every time the AI thinks, it has to pause, fetch data from the memory, and bring it back, a constant back and forth that creates a massive delay. In this animation, standard chips are like trying to fill an Olympic swimming pool using 1,000,000 tiny teacups. Even with a lot of cups, the time spent traveling back and forth slows the entire job to a crawl. Cerebras Systems changed the design. Instead of cutting a silicon wafer into hundreds of tiny chips, they kept the whole wafer intact. By putting the memory directly onto the calculating brain, they replaced those millions of teacups with a massive, high-pressure water main. Because the data never has to leave the chip, it moves instantly. This design allows Cerebras to deliver answers up to 15 times faster than the current industry standard set by NVIDIA. Cerebras isn't just slightly faster. They are changing the mechanical speed limit of artificial intelligence, turning what used to be a bottleneck into a technological marvel. That speed captured the attention of Wall Street. In May of 2026, Cerebras launched its initial public offering, giving the public its first chance to buy a piece of the company. This chart shows the absolute frenzy of that first day. The stock price shot up in a near vertical line, eventually reaching a peak of $380 a share. At that peak, investors valued the company at roughly $85 billion. The market treated the stock as a perfect investment, assuming that a revolutionary product would automatically lead to a revolutionary business. Institutional funds and everyday traders scrambled to buy in, driven by the fear of being left behind while the next big tech giant took off. But that excitement created a blind spot. Investors were so focused on the hardware that they didn't see the specific financial risks building up behind the scenes. To find the truth, we have to look past the hype. Buying a stock isn't just buying a cool chip, it's buying a slice of a company's future sales. This scale shows how unbalanced the price became. At its highest point, people were paying $90 today for every $1 the company actually made in sales. When the price is that high, the business has to perform perfectly just to break even. The first problem is where those sales actually come from. Imagine a popular restaurant that seems packed every night, but then you realize that 80% of the tables are reserved by just one wealthy family. Official government filings show that 86% of the money Cerebras made last year came from entities tied to just one place, the UAE. If a single diplomatic issue blocks those sales, the company loses nearly its entire income. Then there is OpenAI, their biggest future customer. OpenAI gave Cerebras a $1 billion get-to-work loan. This is a massive advance that Cerebras must use to pay for the servers and electricity OpenAI wants, but it comes with strict deadlines that Cerebras is struggling to meet. If the UAE sales are blocked, or if OpenAI demands its billion-dollar advance back because of missed deadlines, the company's entire financial foundation could crumble. Those deadlines are already creating a squeeze. Cerebras actually ran out of physical data center space to house the computers they promised to deliver to OpenAI. To fix this, they had to go back to their clients in the UAE and rent back the same equipment they had already sold to them, just to have enough space to fulfill their other orders. Renting back hardware is expensive, dragging profit margins down from 46% to just 36%. This creates a leak. Instead of keeping profit, they must spend it on rent and data centers just to keep up with their backlog. As profits leak away, investors are facing another hurdle. Usually, when a company first goes public, the people who work there are blocked from selling their personal shares for 6 months. But Cerebras has a special rule that allowed millions of early shares to be sold immediately after their first earnings report. Even with a world-class chip, a company cannot thrive when its profits are shrinking and the market is about to be flooded with millions of new shares for sale. To be a successful investor, you must separate the brain, the technology, from the piggy bank, the stock price. At the current price of about $195, the stock is still reflecting the early hype, not the business reality. It is simply too risky to buy right now. As more insiders get the green light to sell their shares, that extra supply will likely push the price down even further over the next few months. This chart shows where the price needs to go to be a safe investment. By waiting for the $125 range, you stop paying for the hype and start paying a price that matches the company's actual revenue growth. At this lower price, the math changes. The risks from the UAE and OpenAI are finally offset by the potential reward of their incredible technology. A groundbreaking invention doesn't always mean you should buy the stock at any price. The best investors know that timing is everything. Keep Cerebras on your watch list and wait for a price that gives you a margin of safety.